everyone, it's Riley from Urban Firebird Home Solutions. We're at AlaskaHouse today, and we've been debating on each level about what to do with the house with our partners Hal and Lisa. And we're just going to start in this room because we have been debating a lot in this room. So this is the master bedroom, and we added 3 extra feet to this room to make it a little bit bigger, to add a bed. You can see a lot of changes happening over here. Right here, this would be the closet. It's like a walk-in closet, so you go in, have your shoes like on the side, and then have a little bar for hanging your clothes. And then in the bathroom, you can see that we've just cut it out right there. Let's head on downstairs. In the kitchen / living room, you can see that we put in a little header so that we can have this nice open space to just go into the kitchen from the living room. Then all the way to here into this framed out laundry room, mud room, and bathroom. In here you can see that we are going to be putting probably the toilet right there, the vanity right there, and the tub right there. Have it all come together. Let's head down in the basement. We're in the basement now, and you can see that we started to frame stuff in. And you can also see that this wall got pushed back because we moved the water heater, and so now you can fit your sofas and chairs through this little walkway, because remember it was like that small, so you could only fit yourself, which is going to bring us into the family room. And you can see that we framed in where the electric fireplace is going to be and where your TV could go. And from that corner, you can see the TV, because we have to find out a way to make this pole not get in the way of the TV, because originally we were going to put the TV right there, but that wouldn't make sense, because what if you were over here? You wouldn't be able to see the TV because of this little support beam. So I think we figured out a solution. That was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube, and have a great day. Bye everyone.